Are you looking for the best electric skateboards? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best electric skateboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. MEEPO V3S ENVY Skateboard. The MEEPO electric skateboard lineup offers different models to suit various riders, from beginners to thrill seekers. The Campus is a lightweight, beginner-friendly board designed for teens and young riders, offering a safe top speed of around 12.5 miles per hour, up to 10 miles of range, and weighing just 13 pounds for easy carrying. The V3S and its extended range version, V3S ER, step things up with dual 540W hub motors, a top speed of about 29 miles per hour, and ranges of 17 to 20 miles depending on the battery, making it a solid balance of speed and endurance for everyday riders. The newer V5 and V5 ER keep a similar performance level, reaching around 28 miles per hour, but offer ranges of 11 miles on the standard version and up to 20 miles with the ER model, all in a lightweight build with a convenient carry handle and beginner-friendly controls. At the high end, the MEEPO Envy is a premium performance board with dual 2519W motors, a blazing top speed of 32 miles per hour, up to 24 miles of range, and a sturdy bamboo fiberglass deck, making it ideal for experienced riders who want both speed and long-distance capability. Together, these boards cover every need, from safe and easy commuting for beginners to powerful, long-range rides for advanced users. Number 2. Backfire G2 Black Skateboard. The Backfire G2 Black electric longboard is a reliable and beginner-friendly skateboard designed for both adults and teens, combining performance with safety. It comes equipped with a 5.2R 187Wh battery that delivers a range of 11 to 12.5 miles per charge, making it great for daily commutes or casual rides. With a top speed of 24 miles per hour, riders can enjoy both smooth cruising and exciting speed when needed, while the durable build ensures stability and comfort. The board also includes protective gear, giving beginners extra confidence as they learn to ride. Backed by a 180-day warranty, the G2 Black offers an excellent balance of safety, performance, and reliability at an affordable price point. Number 3. Teamgee H5 Electric Skateboard. The Teamgee H537 electric skateboard is a slim and portable longboard built for beginners and casual riders, featuring dual 380W hub motors, 760W total, that deliver a top speed of 22 miles per hour and a range of up to 11 miles per charge. Its drop-through deck is crafted from 10 layers of Canadian maple reinforced with fiberglass, making it both durable and only about 0.5 inches thick, while keeping the weight at just 14.5 pounds for easy carrying. The board comes with 90mm PU wheels, a wireless LCD remote control, regenerative braking, and can tackle hills with up to 20% incline, ensuring smooth rides across different terrains. With a balance of performance, portability, and rider-friendly design, the Teamgee H5 is a solid choice for adults and teens looking for a reliable electric longboard. Number 4. Swagtron NG 3 Skateboard. The Swagtron NG 3 Swagskate electric skateboard is a compact and beginner-friendly board designed for kids and teens, offering a smooth and safe riding experience. It features a kick-to-cruise system with AI smart sensors that automatically engage or stop the board as the rider mounts or dismounts, and includes Move More, endless mode for effortless cruising without a remote. The skateboard has a 9-inch polypropylene deck and 72mm polyurethane wheels, providing flexibility and shock absorption, while supporting riders up to 150 pounds. Powered by a 100W motor and a lithium-ion battery, it achieves a range of 4 to 6 miles per charge with a recharge time of about 90 minutes. Lightweight and durable at approximately 7.7 pounds, the NG3 combines safety, convenience, and a realistic skateboarding feel, making it an excellent entry-level electric skateboard for young riders. Number 5. Caroma Electric Skateboards. The Caroma electric skateboard is a high-performance longboard designed for both adults and beginners seeking a reliable and stylish ride. Equipped with dual 600W brushless hub motors, it delivers a top speed of 28 miles per hour and can tackle inclines up to 25 degrees. The skateboard features a 6-hour battery, providing a range of 16 to 28 miles, depending on terrain and riding conditions. Its 9-ply maple deck, combined with 90mm PU shock-absorbing wheels, ensures a smooth and comfortable ride. Additionally, the board includes a remote control with 4 speed modes, allowing riders to adjust their speed according to their skill level. A standout feature is the glow-in-the-dark sandpaper, adding a unique aesthetic and enhancing visibility during night rides. With a maximum load capacity of 300 pounds, the Caroma electric skateboard is suitable for various riders seeking an efficient and enjoyable commuting solution.